so new that it's not even on the Harley-Davidson map. I'm going to turn around and head back down the mountain. Just going down here where the turnaround is. It's a windy day today too. Low guardrails. I thought the turnaround was a little sooner. There we go. Look at that. Man, I can tell the difference with these bars. Now we're riding into the sun. This is one of my favorite roads. You have to come ride this. Let me close my shield. You might can't hear me that good. This is the Foothills Parkway. I just made a video on it, and I decided to make a video coming back. If you think this is just a stretch of the road that's good, no, the whole road is good like this. If you're coming from the last video, I was telling you I'm taking it easy because I'm riding by myself. There's no one up here with me, and just being cautious. But look at this stretch of bridges. Man, this is a nice road. This one as well as I know the old Foothills Parkway, so that's why I'm taking it easy. Oh, I love the way those pipes sound. They'll get you in trouble because they sound so good it makes you want to go. Especially when you roll off of them like this, listen. Oh, that sounds good. These new bars are just great. These KST bars, I love the way these grips feel in my hand. East Tennessee day. Okay, so now do you want to see the air temperature? So the air temperature is 72. Deep curve. Don't stretch, don't scrape my bags. I don't think I have. I don't think I was over that far. Man, this just changed the whole way this bike rides. Between the Öhlins suspension, the bars, and hey, I want to thank Joey from Öhlins. You wasn't kidding, man. When you told me that lifting the bike up in the back an inch would change the way it rides, he wasn't kidding. It really changes the way this motorcycle handles, being up an inch in the back. And having the Öhlins on there, and that's just the back. I can't wait. I'm going to do a full kit sooner or later on this bike. Exhaust getting little pops coming down off the mountain. BMW riders, nope, Yamaha riders, I think. I wasn't sure. Again, you need to put this one on your list. Everybody's talking about the Dragon this, the Dragon that. Yeah, ride the Dragon, get the t-shirt, and come over here and have a good time on this road. This is the new part of the Foothills Parkway. I've said this before, but it is a really fun road to ride. I'm going to try to do the whole thing without any editing, just let it run. So if I don't do a lot of talking, well, I've already done a lot of talking, but if I don't talk about any specific topic and just kind of ramble on, then you'll know why. This is just a pure ride video. All the upgrades that I've done to this motorcycle, the Öhlins suspension, the 6-bend bars from KST, the Avon Grips. There's one big thing that I need to do, because these are still the couple Harleys going through that way. These are still the stock tires. I'm about to change out the tires. I'm going to change out the tires and the wheels. Now I'm not going to go with a big wheel bagger. I like them, but that's not what I want to do. I want something that I can ride it just like I'm riding it now. Not saying that you can't. Now, you know, a lot of people that have big wheel baggers, when I mean big wheel baggers, I'm not talking about a 21. 21 is a bigger wheel. I'm not really talking about a 23. But if you were in Daytona, you saw guys with 30s and 34s. And that's what I mean by anything above a 26, in my opinion, is a big wheel bagger. And they look cool, but if it hinders the performance of the motorcycle, I don't want it. Unless I had 2 bikes, then I want it just for cruising around town, because you can't deny they look cool. Sometimes you just want to hear the pipes. So I'm thinking about going with Michelin tires. I'm not sure. I know they make a good tire. I know Dunlop makes a good tire. So since I'm going to change out the wheels, I'm thinking about going 19 in the front, and this is 16s in the back. I'm thinking about going 19 and 18. That's what's on the Street Glide standard now. It's 19 and 18. 19 and 16 is cool, but I'd rather go 19 and 18. I could even get away with 21 and 18 if I just want a little bit bigger wheel. I don't believe 21 would hinder the performance of it. As long as it's basically the same diameter, a little bit lower profile tire, I think it's going to have the same stance. If anybody has done a 21 and 18, put that in the comment too. Just because that guy was doing that when I came up here, he's just wiping off his windows. It's kind of weird. Man, it's awful. Also got to be mindful of the animals that run out across the road up here. This time of day there's deer and stuff like that. So I'm almost at the end. Let me back it down, take it easy. Hopefully you enjoyed the ride. You might not enjoy the conversation so much because I'm not really talking about a lot of things. Look how the road just curves like that. You have to love this. Even a car, if you're in a sports car, you would have to love this. Now, there's not a lot of room for mistake. You're either hitting the side of a bank, going off the side of a cliff, or running into a tree if you have an accident. So you got to be careful. Slow down through this one because I know this is a pretty sharp curve. There we go. Just keeps on going around and around. Okay, we're almost out of here now. So to everyone who hung on this long for the video, thank you for sticking with me. Hopefully you enjoyed the video. I kind of threw this one in here. I have several videos coming from Bike Week that I'll be putting out, and I wanted to get them out, but man, on a 79-degree day, I had to come out and make a video. So, and I don't want to hold this back because there's a lot of people that's dealing with cold weather right now, and so I didn't want to hold this video back. Maybe it's something that you might enjoy. All right, so that was the end of the parkway. I'm about to get off to on the highway now, the 321. Just to let you know, back this way where I just came was the new one. That way is the old one. And you think that's nice as well. And let's see, some gravel here. Take it easy through there. You're trying to make plans when we can travel. We're about 35 miles from, well, here we go. We're not even that. There you go right there. So from Townsend 7 miles, Cades Cove 17 miles, Maryville 10 miles, and Knoxville 28 miles. So guys, I want to thank everybody for watching. If you like this video, give it a thumbs up. If you'd like to see more like it, hit subscribe and the notification bell. And if you would do me a favor, share it with all your friends. I want to thank you for watching. Don't forget to like, share, and subscribe. And as always, have a blessed day.